The glue is tacked up for 19 minutes now.
Yeah, don't drop it on anybody's toes.
Now we're going to roll the material.
Yeah, that's down.
Oh, I can see it. I see it right here. Where it bellies. You can see it right here, Karen. Right here where it bellies.
Yep, starting already.
It's starting already.
There, you gotta dip it.
Yeah.
You're gonna be able to,
Oh, there's. See that? Yeah.
Point to it, Lee.
Right here.
No, I'm seeing it here. I'm seeing it here.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one there. Yeah, but we're also seeing what we can see. There's a bunch of them.
Wait, point your finger to that spot. I see it on the camera more below. I want you here.
Okay.
Let me see.
That light.
I need the right light to try to capture that.
Alright.
That doesn't make it go away. I think it's in the goods. It says nothing to do with adhesive.
Right now, like this.
It has to do with imperfections in the surface of the black goods.
Yes.
Okay, when can you see if we're ready for the other side?
Hold on.